Hey YouTube, it's SA Random, and in today's video I'm going to do a quick unboxing and setup of the Tile Meta Slim Key Finder and Tracker. So this is Tile key tracker. It was on Black Friday deal on Amazon right now on today's video. So if you watch it right now, I think it should be still on sale, so it's well worth it. So this is a slim version. So now that they have different versions, have the like slim, light, pro version, something like that. So I got the slim version. The pro version is the more advanced version, further range, better battery life, and so on. But with this, still good enough. So if you focus, you see. So the mate is this one, and the slim is that one. Okay. So going over first, let's look at the specs. So the mate is 150 feet, 45 meter range, or the slim is 100 feet or 30 meter range, or Wi-Fi range, or Bluetooth range. So if your phone is in that proximity area, it will find it. So here's some information on the back. Pause it and read it. It will work with Amazon Alexa's, Google Assistant, available on Apple Store and Android. Tile, nothing here to see. So let me just open it. Now I have used one already as on my keys, which I don't have me on the moment, but I'll still show you the setup process. So just open it together, we will find. Now just open it like this. So come on. Okay. So you will get another one of these. This is the mate. So let me check this out first. Let me take this out and let's look at the instruction manuals or the booklet. So here's a quick setup guide to show you how it all sets up. Put that to one side. And here is the warranty and usage. Now, so I'll talk about this first, so the warranty. So with these, okay, let me check it all out. Display it. So with these, you could place the battery, which is right here. So let me try to do a camera for you right now. That just me turning it on. Come on, it's a bit hard. Come on, come on. It's almost out. See, it's a bit hard not taking this out now. There we go, almost out. There, okay. So it's hard, but it has to be waterproof as well. So there's a battery. So it's a take a cell coin or cell button battery, 3 volts. There's the number for the battery it takes. Okay. So just put that back on like so. And make sure it's fully in place. Like so, okay. And then you got the slim. Now these have a built-in battery which you can't change, which is a bit of a disappointment. I guess if you have a card holder where you keep purely cards, they fit inside it, your wallet, stuff like that, they will fit inside it. So I think it's set up to 3 years or up to 1 year. That you could place these for half the price. So you go to tile.com/replace tile and they do these for half the price, which is a bit rubbish in my sense. It could make it a tiny bit bigger. Look, okay, I know that is quite thick. Fair enough, that is quite thick, but you could probably make it a tiny bit bigger and fit like some sort of battery system inside it, or even have wireless charger inside it built in. I know it's a bit more expensive, but sadly, think about it, every year you have to replace these. It works out better to have like some sort of wireless charger or some sort of a battery style system in place. But hey ho, that's how it is. Now it's pretty simple. They've got buttons on each one. That'll make a sound like so, and it's well worth it. It's well worth it. Like me, I always lose my keys. I always lose my keys in my wallet. I can never find them. With these, honestly, I literally lost my keys the other day. Pressed it, found it. So they are good value. If you're the type of person who misplaces keys or forgets where your keys are, this is well worth it for you. Anyways, this has been your boy SA Random. I hope you like this video. Tell me, how do you like the sound quality now? I haven't got a mic on now, like an external mic. So tell me how do you like the sound quality? Is it good? Is it bad? Let me know. Anyways, this has been by SA Random. This has been my quick unboxing of the tire tracker, and I'll see you next time.